Hey Jason, hi. We will now test for a QBTSF. We will take a simultaneously both the tasks for a null syncing and also print letter and email letter. So just we will create a new customer in say QuickBook. We will enter all the values. Now here we have a preferred delivery method none. Now we will create this customer and now just after some time after more than 5 minutes, now we will take a look of Salesforce accounts. Is that created or not? Yes, it is. And it has a phone print invoice true, and here preferred delivery method is a none. Now billing address is here. Except the fax field, as fax field is not in custom setting. Yeah, all other fields are fine. Now we will just update a phone from Salesforce. Mm, Now we have updated a phone, so we'll just check in a QuickBook. Is it updated or not? Yeah, it's. So now we will just remove the bill. Now we will make a print letter to send letter, and we'll just check it. Now we have to wait for minimum 5. Now it has been past more than 5 minutes. Now we will just take a look of Salesforce account. Is it email invoice true? Yeah. Is it? Yeah. And sync token is also updated. Fax is not coming as it wasn't in the sync. So I think it was good for a print invoice and email invoice. Now we will just remove the phone and in QuickBook and we'll check. Okay, now we have to wait again for more than 5 minutes so it will be updated in Salesforce. Now it has been passed more than 5 minutes. Now we will check in Salesforce. Now, yeah, this is phone field. It's vanished in Salesforce also. So all this looking fine. Okay, thank you. Have a great day.